On to the next part. Okay, so the main thing that we are going to talk about today would be oral strategies, or rather, what are some ways that you can develop ideas to say something back when the teacher has a discussion with you during oral. And I find that a lot of times students don't know what to say because they are very nervous, and it's not about the nervousness controlling the way they speak, it's about the nervousness affecting their brains. So they actually have some knowledge about stuff that they can talk about, but because they're so nervous, right, they actually forget what they can actually talk about, but they have that knowledge. So let's talk a bit about that later. And then we have some early exercises as well. Now, the first one would be visual text. Second would be comprehension open-ended. And I'm going to just speed through this a little bit faster because there are too many questions for this. And then finally, I'll give you a break. And after the break, we'll come back and we'll look at some strategies to improve your oral skills. Raha did her oral, but she did not get her marks back yet. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so let's start with the visual text. So here we have the poster. It's a book fair, and I'm sure you have been to a few in your school or somewhere else. I used to be very excited at book fairs, but now that most of the things that I like to read are online, I kind of stopped going for book fairs. I'm not so interested in them anymore because I read most of my materials online. But I still have a love for books. It's like you cannot replace that feeling of flipping the pages through a book. You can't replace it with something online. Okay. Oh yes, by the way, Jairus, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, good. I was just wondering how was your audio and your video today. Do remember to finish your work online on 88 Tuition website before coming for the lesson. In that way, you actually have a higher chance of scoring better in your class dojo points because you get a second chance if you don't actually score it top. If you get it wrong, you can actually have a second chance here in class again. Okay? So, Jairus, I need you to take a picture of this poster here. And once you're done, then I can show you the questions because you need to answer all the questions because you haven't done anything yet. Okay, Jairus is done. Good. So, first one over here. Where is this book fair held? So, Jairus, I need you to be fast in answering because the whole class is basically waiting for you. Most of them got the questions correct. Yes, you are correct. The answer is C. It's being held here at Singapore Expo Halls 1 and 2. You can find the information over here. Oops, I just read doesn't turn up. Yeah. Singapore Expo Halls 1 and 2. Okay, next. Which of the following dates is not a day that the book fair is running? Everyone got this one right? I just need Jairus' answer. Let me just double check. Dania gave her answer as well here. Yep, Utaka, Jerusha, Victoria. Jerusha and Raha, I'll be sending your essays back later during the break. Yeah, just remind me and then I'll be adding your marks directly. Okay. So question 2 over here, the answer is B, that's right. Okay, good. So Jairus is correct. It's 28th May because over here it states very clearly that it's only happening from May 20th to May 27th. 28th May is the date outside of May 27th. So the book fair will not be happening on May 28th. All right, so that's the answer. Question 3, which of the following statements is true? Now for this one, Rina needs to give me the answer as well. Rina got it wrong. Rina chose A, so don't choose A, yeah? It's not true that everyone who attends the book fair will receive a goodie bag, because here it actually says what? It says the first 100 people through the door will receive goodie bags only, not everyone. So A is actually wrong. Okay? So Rina has answered. Rina is correct. Jairus has answered as well. The answer is B. All right. This book fair is organized by the National Arts Council. Where can we see that in the poster? We can see it at the bottom. Organized by National Arts Council at the bottom there. Okay. So number 3 answer is B. Number 4, based on the poster, this one just Jairus. Based on the poster, which of the following is a reason someone might attend this book fair? Why might people attend this book fair? Yes, Jairus is correct. Okay. Answer is D. There is an up to 50% discount on all books at the book fair. That's the reason why someone might want to go there, because they have cheap books. Up to 50% off on all books. Okay, that's a reason. A discount is a good reason to go anywhere. They want to save money, right? Number 5, I need Victoria and Jairus's answers, please. Victoria got it wrong. Victoria picked D. D is wrong. Based on the poster, how can someone find more information about this book fair? It's not about asking their close friends, right? How else can they find more information? Jairus is correct. How about Victoria? Very good. Victoria is correct as well. The answer is C. All right. You can visit the website thebestbookfair.com. Where can we see this in the poster? It says here, for more information, visit thebestbookfair.com. It literally says for more information. So in your question here, it says more information, right? So for this, you have to go visit their website at thebestbookfair.com. So the answer is C. Okay, good. Next. Number 6, if Jerry wants to receive a goodie bag at the book fair, he needs to do what? Rina and Jairus, please give me the answers for this. Rina and Jairus, what does he need to do? If you want to receive a free goodie bag, what must you do? Rina is correct. Fantastic. How about Jairus? Yes, Jairus is correct. Good. So the answer is A, right? You have to be one of the first 100 people to attend the book fair. I think I highlighted this just now already, but just to highlight it for you again, it says here, the first 100 people through the door will receive goodie bags. So you have to be one of the first 100 people through the exhibition hall door, and then you will receive a free goodie bag. Okay? Question 7, which of the following is not, I repeat, not something that will be happening at the book fair? Is it the swap meet, the poetry contest, the writing competition, or the trivia contest? So I need Rina and Jairus to answer here. The answer is not C, right? C is happening at the book fair. Look at this, writing competition. It is happening at the book fair because it's here. See, writing competition. Yeah, it's right there. Okay. So, yes, you guys are correct. The answer here is D. Both of you are right. Why is the answer D? So, This is not happening at the book fair. So we already see that writing competition is happening. How about poetry contest? Poetry contest is happening. Here it says poetry contest. Yeah? So it's happening. How about swap meet? Swap meet means you want to go there and swap books with people. Swap meet, there we go. Yeah, you're going to swap books there, swap meet. So these are all happening. But does it say trivia contest in the events that are happening here? No, it doesn't. There's no trivia contest. In fact, for the whole poster, there's no mention of any trivial contest going on. So the answer here must be D, right? Because it's not an event at the book fair. Okay, next, and the last one, 8. Number 8, Raha, Rina, and Jairus need to give me an answer here. What does the phrase free entry actually mean? Okay, for this one, I don't want you guys to choose A, right? Free entry doesn't mean that the books at the book fair are being given away for free.
I'll give you
Okay.
back, promise.
Raha is correct. Rina is correct. How about Jairus? What does free entry mean? Oh, Jairus has given me the answer. Okay, Jairus is correct. It actually means you don't need to pay money to enter the book fair. So the answer is B. That's right. It means that there's free admission fair.
Oh, dang it.
Jairus, I can hear you talking to your brother. Please mute yourself when you are not speaking to me. Okay, so based on the results here, everyone basically got 8 upon 8. So I'm just going to give everyone here 8 upon 8. Fantastic job, guys. Oh, just a quick question for Josiah. Did you actually see any axolotls that are actually other colors, like pink or like orange kind? Are they more expensive? Where did Josiah go? Okay, anyway, these are all the people here. That's right. So that's 5 points. And then everyone gets 3 more points. Good. Right, not too bad, yeah? Oh yeah, Josiah saw orange and pink axolotls as well. Were they more expensive? Is it like the dark one is cheaper, or is like the dark one the same price? Orange is more expensive, right? I knew it, because everyone wants like the orange ones. They say it looks like a Pokemon. Pink is same price as the black one. Oh, okay. The black one does look cooler. I agree. Yep. Okay, next. So now for comprehension open-ended, you guys have all read the story except for Jairus. So I will read the story for the sake of Jairus. Please remember the story properly, okay? And by the way, Josiah says he has a paddlefish as well. I'll show you guys what the paddlefish is later. I myself have no idea what the paddlefish is, but I bet Google knows. Anyway. The goose came to our house in Ayala Alabang village, south of Manila. That was what Papa told everyone whenever he and my grandmother would throw parties in our spacious garden. We named the goose Butt. He was a smooth white bird with a yellow beak that was often spotted with the remains of food. She was our pet for 27 years. I never found her as captivating as other people did. Captivating means interesting, captures your attention. When my classmates came to visit, they would always flock to the back garden to watch Bat as she swam around our little pond. My friends joked that we called her Bat because of the sound she made when she honked. And indeed, she did it 100 times a day, telling us she needed food or that her pond was dirty. Bat wasn't a friendly creature, and in my younger years, I was terrified of her. My mother would often tell me stories about how geese would peck you black and blue if they got irritated with you. If I had to feed Bat, I would often leave her food in a bowl and then hurriedly make my way back to the safety of my house. Even as I got older, I dared not lay a finger on her. The goose, on the other hand, went where she pleased, which means she could wander around wherever she wanted, wherever she pleased.